where all of you have to practice question. Let us start with this question now, right? So what question I want to ask you all to do is, let's see the vector question that you're not so sure or feel very weird or feel hard. Okay, let's try now for this question. I want you all to study this question now because vector, right? If let's say long question, how to do. Okay, let me share screen. For those who are here, you try first, and all of you take out stationery and practice this question, okay? Good. Okay, read the question carefully and then I want you all to solve it. And the question is not short question, it's a long question, vector. So I want you all to also practice vector question. This is something difficult. Okay, do it now. See whether how long you will solve it. Okay. Okay, I saw the answer from Brian. Yeah, really, I saw that also. This picture. Okay, good. Who else want to give the answer to see whether can get or not? So that y'all can score this total altogether about 10 marks. Okay, so far I saw the answer from Evan, Brian only. Okay, let's discuss the answer together. Okay, this is long question. So normally you have to allocate 10 to 15 minutes to solve it. If not, it will be too slow. Okay, although it's 10 marks, you have to know how to answer step by step. Okay, now express the following in terms of x and y. BD. Okay, normally I'll fill out all this what they give. AB. You have to know where is AB. A to B is 10x. A to D is 10y. And then A to E. Oh, this is small one. Is 205 of AB. So you can find AE first. 205 of AB. 205 of who? 10x. So that's right, it's 4x, right? Okay. BC is half ED. Half ED. Where is ED? Yeah, half of it. So this is the reason. So it's try to solve BD first. Try your working. B to D, you have to draw your own line to see the connection easily. B to D, you want shaking. B to D is B to C plus C to D, or even better, BA plus AD. Easier because got information. So you find the information to connect them. Although there are few methods to reach the point D, but you can use the information way. BA is negative 10x because AB is 10x, BA is negative 10x, and AD is 10y. Okay? Then Roman 2 BC, you have to find easily because you got BD, you got also, yeah, related to who? ED, So you can find ED also because BC is half ED. So half ED, and the ED can be related to who? EA plus AD. You can link to EA. And EA is what? You got the EA is negative 4x because A is 4x. EA is negative 4x. And AD is how much? 10y. And you expand 102 times, then you get this, and 102 times 10, you get 5y. You see? And now, how about BC done already? Then after that, I want to ask you, how about given A? This is parallel vector. Okay, you see the pattern? Express AF. This is something that students, they stuck here very long. They don't know what to do, right? Yeah. So I want you all to see whether can you do or not. Whether you can have the answer easily or you need to relate, okay, so that you got no problem on it. So class, what is your answer? Because somehow all these things, right, you have to know very important, yeah. Okay, one, if you miss up, then you have to be aware. Okay, so now I want to see whether can you write it easily without any problem. Okay, any problem here, class? You need my help? This one I didn't see you all give the answer, so I saw only even very good. B1 don't know how, B2 cannot. Okay, everyone look at this question, B1. So the thing is, I want to find AF vector. The thing is, ask you to write in terms of KXY. So they already told you, you see, KFC. Well, KFC. Where's the FC vector? Where's the FC vector? Here. So you follow, you have to know where is it. To link which vector? FD, DC, because AF is here, man. FC is here. So you can link with the vector FC or not. FC, if you can use FD plus DC, or another one is anything that can link FC class. That's right, vector. Why is it difficult? Because you cannot see the link. Okay, so what else is you can see over here? In terms of, I can say I found CD already or not? Also haven't. All information don't have, then how? Slowly, step by step, try to link it because you will see the answer one. Okay, FD and DC, right? FD, DC. Can I ask you FD and DC? Who can tell me how to link the FC? And AF is what? They give you, is equal to AE plus HED, right? AE plus HED. They want AF, they want later. So you focus on AF equals to KFC. FC, which triangle is the best? FD and DC only. Do you know how to find FD? Got information to find FD? Class, do you know or not this question how to do so that you all can solve easily? Because normally students, they find this is something they cannot do and they think it's so difficult, but they never go through. That's the thing, they never put their effort to check. Can see one, if not, why they ask you to do that? The reason one. So AF, you can find AC or not? You can find AC or not? You can find AC ma? Step by step link ma. Alright, you can link one. If you don't link, then cannot do. You can find AC first. Vector AC equals to AB plus BC. And you got AB and you got BC. Then can solve already. AB is 10x. What? Then BF, ABC is what? BC is, you found already here, negative 2x plus 5y. Negative 2x plus 5y. Negative 2x plus 5y. So you get 8x plus 5y. Okay, you got AC. So I want you all to link. AC is this. And then you have to go to the next one to find AF equals to KFC, right? The thing is, you have to know the whole thing. AC and FC. Correlation. Can see I got AC already. What else you can link? So difficult, right? KFC memang susah, right? So I need you all to check. Can do one, which is like you got to know AF is 12x minus 5y. Okay, 12x minus 5y. You see where you get the answer? Think carefully. I try to zoom in for you. Link it. AC equals to, we found already, AF equals to KFC. AF equals to KFC. KFC. So how can you easily find it? Very hard. Think, who can do the direction? In terms of K, your answer should get K over 1 plus K. I want you to see how to get this answer. 12x minus 5y. Can you link or not this answer? How to see this answer? Why like that? Right? 8x plus 5y. I want you to think. Okay, think carefully to link the answer. Why like this one suddenly got this? Sure got relation one. Okay, then you can get the answer easily. Just that why have to be like that? Yeah, FD plus DC. Okay, FC is FD plus DC. FD you got me? Don't have. DC you got me? Don't have also. I got BC or not? I got BD or not? DC can. FD FD cannot. AF got or not? Don't have. Then AD also don't have. So that's right, it's stuck. So I want you all to look carefully. Again, study this question. Okay, I want you all to take 5 minutes to think about this answer. Then tell me what is the answer here. Okay, so Evan say FC equals to AC minus AF. Sub into the equation, so I have to link, right? FC equals to AC minus AF. Very good. You say FC equals to AC. Is it AC minus AF? Right? So AF equals to what? Like this can, then shift get the answer. Okay, your friend give this FC equals to AC minus AF. Because AF plus FC equals to AC, okay? Then how? I mean, the reason, but the thing is, I want to find AF lah. How do I find AF lah? Yeah. So AC, AF, so why you make like this then? So difficult one? Maybe it's like that, you see. Another way to think of AF is AC minus FC lah, right? AC you got already, AX plus 5Y. FC is actually 1 over K of AF. Oh, you see or not? You make the K there, so FC equals to 1. So sometimes you see the answer already. Yeah, can get the answer already. So like that also can, because you try to link the triangle very hard, cannot. But if you do this way, you can solve. Yeah, MS is just so fun. Then you can get the answer already. How many AF? 1 plus 1 over K. 1 plus 1 over K will be K plus 1 over K. Oh, that's the reason, no? 1 times this one fraction, 1 OAF plus 1 over KF. So do you think it's K plus 1 over K? I want AF, right? So answer AF equals to bring the K there, bring the K plus 1 there. Can link already. Just that how come it's not the same one? I see. Anything missing? Should be getting 12x minus 5y. Class. Is it here missing? I think got missing. I think minus wrongly here, is it? AB plus BC. AB plus BC, something wrong here. AB is what? 14x, extend x. Plus BC, you got what? Negative 2x plus 10y. BC is negative 2x plus 5y, sorry. So correct. 10x. AC is AB plus BC, correct? Yeah, so the answer given is wrong. So answer should be AX plus 5y, correct? This one AX. Okay, plus 5y. This is the answer, correct? Okay, so same thing. How to solve the question for the next one? I want you all to check it out. So difficult question, K-part question must think how to do, especially this type of situation. The link cannot see one. And now AF equals to, this one I think you all try to look at it now. You all can see the pattern already, right? No one give the answer except a few, right? I think got 1, 2 friend. Okay, please do it now. Try, all this I have to think one, the question. B2. AF equals to, AE plus HED. Okay, so this question, how to solve AE plus HED? We got ED meh? You have to check, don't have. You have to find out ED. ED link with who? So I want you to observe carefully and leave the answer. I want you to give the answer now, right? Let me do a welcome to press. Yeah. How about the others? Please give the answer. I want to see you all are doing. Okay, can do or not? So I shall what's that called? Give your the answer because I think you are so quiet long. I scared. No, is it difficult? Yeah. Okay, let's see. Yeah. A bit lost on this question. So very good. Alia, Evan, Liana can show me one. Oh, how? Okay, let me show you. So you have to focus. I show one more time this AF first, then only go to that. So this is vector, right? What I can say is all of you have to be careful because I know it is so challenging that you uh, cannot get the answer. It's very hard, no? But actually not hard. AF, they already told you is equals to AE plus HED. They just want you to connect them. AF, AE plus HED. So it's actually like this, you know. Then what I can say is you all have to be very careful. You all have to be very careful. So that's why I want you all to see. AE, you got another answer. AE. God. AE is here. 4x just not 4 already. And then ED, ED don't have for. ED is where? ED is actually 2BC. Yeah, ED got already or not? We got BC ma. BC is negative 2x plus 5y. So they told you BC equals to half ED, means ED equals to 2BC. So you can continue already. Actually not difficult. That's why I'm waiting. You all can do or not, can see the answer or not. BC is negative 2x plus 5y. So you see your answer, expand negative 4hx and then plus 5hy. The answer live in terms of h and x and y. You get this answer? Yeah, very good. Oh yeah, so good, right? Some of you say 10 one. Oh, 2, 5, 10, correct? 2, 5, 10. Okay, expand, Okay, same answer. Good. Now, question. Your friend asked just now how to get AF. Just now I show here AF. You see all of you AF equals to KFC. But very hard if you see this way because FC very hard to link. So I start with this important link. AF equals to AC minus FC is actually a straight line. You see a straight line AF. I just take whole thing AC minus FC, then you get AF. Oh, then you can link already, whereby you sub in AC. FC is actually 1 over KAF. You know why? They give us already AF equals to KFC. So FC equals to 1 over KAF. So FC equals to 1 over KAF vector. Then you just substitute in 1 over F, 1 over KAF. And 1 over KAF, because this is also AF, you continue copy left and right. You shift this to the left-hand side, become plus. So 1 plus 1 over K, you know, right? 1 plus 1 over K, you get K plus 1 over K, combined into a fraction. That's over 1 times K. Hello, fraction. The left-hand side copy only, AS plus 5y. And then shift this there, become upside down K over K plus 1. And then times AS plus 5y. That's your answer. And see the whole thing. Okay, now the another question is they ask you to solve the H and K, right? To solve H and K, what I see is to solve H and K, you need to know how to do it, yeah? To solve H and K, you got AF ready, and then you also need to find, yeah, you got AF, and then you got also what? Yeah, both also AF. Oh, to find H and K, then you use comparison method. Just now your friend say one, right? This is AF. I connect them together. Do you see? This is what you found just now, right? and then connect them, equals to another AF is this one, right? K over K plus 1. K over K plus 1. Equate them. Because your job is to find H and K. Continue. You want to factorize? Take out the 4 minus 4H, factorize the X. Because by comparison method, this also you can see 8K over K plus 1 X plus 5K over K plus 1 Y. So I told you already, by comparison method, your job is to find H and K. So you have to build two equations. By equating left and right, 4 minus 4H equals to 8K over K plus 1. Wow, very difficult. Huh? Then H equals to 5K over K plus 1. That's why I say you all have to be very careful. So how? Bring up and down. 4 minus 4H. Yo, macam susah. Oh. Should we do like that or not? Yeah. Yes, it actually should, because this is how you solve simultaneous equation. This is one of the best thing. But don't need to be so stressed. You know why? If you bring out like that, okay, to solve simultaneous equation, make H as a subject, is it? Oh, for me, I make K plus 1 as a subject. Easier, man. K plus 1 equals to 5 and 10 cut. You get K over 2H. Then you substitute in here. Sub in here, K over 2H. Is it easier, a bit more challenging? I think you sub in, you can make K as a subject or H as a subject. So you have to solve for simultaneous equation. I think this one never seen before, is it? You never do question before lah. Or never seen before. Yeah lah, actually so challenging this question. So that's why K bar question is not easy if you want to do. Vector can be like that, you know. It's also K bar because the student don't know how to connect them. Okay? K bar don't need to be like a problem solving. I very, very mangzang. You know, mangzang cannot erase. You can solve or not? Hello? Why cannot erase one? Want to throw away the pen? Actually, today many things happening now, you know. I got my head, my brain cannot think like y'all because my brain not fresh. I'm helping a national president to check his message, his speech. Have to check his speech, have to go through. At the same time, multitasking or read his speech because later on got one function later. Presidential, reception. So my brain pecah already. Then link send wrong group. Is it? No lah. Yeah. Because is it even make H as subject the way? Thank you. So I know you all have to make sure you all can solve the simultaneous equation. But normally, right, simultaneous equation is easy, right? This one like actually not difficult. Because of fraction. You hate fraction, just get it. I cannot erase one. Like want to smash the laptop like that, you know. The feeling sometimes, weird lah. Okay. So if you expand, if you bring up, right, who can get the answer for this H and K? So I want you all check carefully. Because no one give answer at all. That's why I'm wondering why. Nobody give answer. I feel sad. Because you have to give answer, what means that you can do law. None of you can get means something wrong. Right? So you try to reverse like that. Make H as a subject lah. Can make H as a subject. Your friend say make H as a subject. Go ahead. At the end, your answer for H and K, who really can get it? Really tell me now. Your answer should get equals to K is 2/3, H is 1/5. Yeah. Who can get? Oh, even yes, very good. So smart of you. You can find the answer. Okay, and also even, yeah, very good. So that's right, you see. You all have to see like your friend can relate them. Okay, so you don't need to do what? To you can make it as a subject and you sub in there minus times 1/10, right? Cut. So k over 2 times k plus 1. You want to do that, can replace the h k over 2, then k plus 1. Then you can cut with the k plus 1 here. So happy. Hey, don't cut first. Some people, they very cute one. This one whole thing like that, you still can say cut. Good luck, all the best. If your SPM like that, you don't jump, okay? Yeah, step by step, your friend can get what? Your friend can get answer. Okay, this one, you cannot cut directly because whole thing is like k plus 1. Unless you combine together, then you can cut. Okay, combine together as a fraction. Ayo, sometimes very susah one, this one today. I think got problem. Today the mood not so good. This one like they didn't listen to me like that. Cut. Okay. Then you see 4k plus 4 minus 2k equals 8k lor. Then 10 why 10k leh? Focus. 2k bring there minus 6k equals to 4. So your k is 2/3, right? Yes. Do you get this answer? Then when k equals to 2/3, your h equals to k. You hate fraction. They purposely make your c fraction one. 1 plus 2/3, so will be 5/3. Cut 2/3 and then 10/3 answer. Cut 1/5. Wow. Any problem? Big problem or okay? So you must pray hard, during this coming months, every month, every day, pray your MS. Okay, can do in exam. Don't start like that. You start, don't cry. I want to scold this whiteboard. I think this whiteboard got goals inside. You don't follow what I say, you see. I want to scold him already, you see. I really want to scold this. Okay. Can Okay, now class. I want to let you all go to next question already. So vector, you don't be afraid. Just that somehow, yeah, there are some questions even more challenging. You also never try. Okay. Do you think to send for maintenance? A lot of people, they advise me to buy new laptop, buy send for maintenance, all these things. Or buy one or new one. But I already bought just for 1 year because every day used for virtual teaching, right? Every day got class, very hard. Yeah, this question, okay? So this is the answer. This is the answer. This is the question. Oh, yeah, everyone ready? MS is easy. Just see circular measure, is it? Yeah, you have to know, can solve one, right? If you give up means nobody can help you already. Okay, look at this question. I want to see you all can do or not. If you can do, that's the best. Okay, if you cannot do, don't worry. God bless you. Okay, circular measure. Yeah, long question, Wow, Another 10 marks. But the 10 mark, this one easier than the 10 marks just now. Maybe you try and see 10 marks question, you spend 10 minutes or 2 minutes. No way, 2 minutes. 5 minutes, so we do together also, right? To make sure that all of you can score. If you cannot score, I can say God bless you, right? Okay, this question, right? I want you all to see the picture. Don't straight away wait for answer. I don't like student and wait for my answer one. You never try, you then only wait for answer. It's already pampered since last time you all attend school class. Now it's the critical time. Critical time means your exam coming. You have to ask yourself already, can do this or not? You can, I think can. Try or try. Oh, can or your friend get the answer or say, yes, some, huh? Good. So I want you all to really, really know how to make it better, right? For your question, you know. If you have problem with understanding, let me know. So are you all writing the answer or not? Later have to tell me the answer like your friend, you see they're very good. Every week they follow my class, right? Then they learn and learn. Every week I challenge you with different questions, like something like this. Ayo, yo. I see your face also like, how to do like that, right? Okay, I saw another friend answer. Very good. No info one. I only know. Is it really? Don't worry, Brian. You some good answer. Got lah. You only know an M and N is pi. Okay. Okay, who else want to give the answer? Okay, can do or not? Okay, let's discuss the answer. Okay, find the angle PMQ in terms of height. So they say a center for two circles, right? So now my question is, I want to find this angle. So you see the question, hold on, did I share screen? I haven't, right? Okay, okay. So you see, find PMQ, the angle is here, right? So my question is, how are you going to solve? So anyone, you see this question, right? When you want to solve it, you have to see the reason and the angle, So this type of question also you have to try. Wow, very good. Everyone got the answer already. Yeah. So now the others, have you got it also? I only see some of you can get, some of you still blur blur. Oh, so how? So everyone, see carefully to solve this. You need to know whereby why is it this is radius, man? And do you know that this is something like they already told you? Hey, hold on now, why like that? They told you that the information is like why is in terms of pi so the thing is two circle if you see carefully is it 60 degree or what? Cannot find. I seen that before. Oh, yeah, that before, but then you have to know how you recall back to do it again and again. Sometimes you done before, but still cannot do again. One or how come? So scary. No, you have to do something. Hello, class. Should I draw a straight line here? Or don't need? You can see carefully here. Inside my notes, don't have me, got lah. So what you can do is you try to recall back the angle. If I draw like that, they didn't give any more information, is it? Yeah, but I still can see someone can do one, or you see, like Evan can do, Evan can get the answer. Yes, some also can roughly get the answer, but not really 100% correct. So how? This one is like any length given. The question got give you length or not? The question got give you length or not? Missing or? So they try to give you the working. What is that called? The question. They say two circle only. Then after that, that's it. Or they ask you to do it by yourself. Oh, interesting. So anyone, what you can see for this question, no length at all. Yeah. Evan, you can get the answer. How you can get the answer? What information you saw? So circle question, right? Is it challenging? No one, but just the information. How come it's missing? Like, you got J. It's right angle triangle. Use cos. Okay, right angle triangle. You use right angle triangle, but then, they give you J, no value. So how? Right angle triangle. Then this one, you can find without J. I mean, without a value at all. This one, you can find. So weird, no? The question. Why so weird? Because no value. Yeah. Think carefully. That's why I asked you all to see here, see there. Difficult again, oh. Yeah, that's why I like this state question. Very good. A lot of questions they try to give like information macam tak cukup, tapi ada boleh buat. Triangle, triangle. Your friends say one, but then cannot solve. Okay. PMX is J. We have J over 2. Is that circle radius? J is the circle radius. J gonna cancel out. M is me. Okay, very good. J gonna cancel out. Yeah, then what else? Okay. The others very quiet. I see Evan only, right? So you have to know how you see this answer. You got tua ka so. So tua ka so, how you fill up this value? Why you can see or not? This one also same. The thing is like if you use triangle, this one confirm these two angles are the same. The thing is like J over 2 over J. Referring S equals to J theta also cannot. There's no, how do you know J S there? Yeah, times 2, I know times 2, but the thing is PMS is J over 2 over J. What is that? 1 over 2. EMX equals to 1 over 2. Is there any right angle triangle? This one. So I want you all to think carefully whether can solve or not. Today the question already difficult macam susah punya tak cukup. So you have to think carefully because something like this you cannot do means die on the spot die. So who else can do? NN equals to J. Very good. Because jajari. This one also J. NN is also J. Because it's like half, they share. Wow. So you see, that means class, a lot of people, they don't know why they want to give you the circle must intersect like that. Yeah, because of the reason. The reason is, they somehow center together. Normally you see the difference. And this one, the center share together. Wow, you see this one also J. Oh, it's actually 60, 60, 60 equilateral triangle. Ayo, this also J. So sometimes bukan you tak tahu, you tak nampak. Itu sebab equilateral triangle. So this one is 120 degree loh. You see or not the difference between this, whereby this one also same length change to the, so now you open your eyes, you saw, right? That's right, you see, your friend got brain, the others no brain. So scary. In terms of pi, times pi over 180. Okay, change to radian actually. Then find the length of PQ, then can solve already. So sometimes you have clear your mental block, right? Can solve already. Okay. Now to solve the length of PQ, where is PQ? Here to here, right? So I try to use the triangle, 60 degree to find the length of this. Can or not? You got this one J. This is half J or what? You can use Tuakaso, this one. You got H. You want to find opposite. Use what? So sine angle 60. Use so sine angle 60 equals to so opposite over hypo. So opposite equals to J times sine 60. Is it? Why this one today keep on moving one? So class you have to know the answer have to live in terms of J or what? Yeah, in terms of J and pi. So don't need to worry one. Right? So answer PQ equals to 2 ohm 2J sine 60 lor. But then the people say pi so Q, why you put 60? It's pi over 2 lah. Sorry, just now is what? 2 over 3 pi so divide by 2, so 1 over 3 pi lor. Pi over 3 lor, pi over 3. People use pi over radian, you follow pi over 3. Okay, pi over 3. Can So this is the answer. 2J sine pi over 3. Fine. 2 or 3 pi equals to pi over 3 man. Done. So I want to find the length in terms of J and pi, that's it. Now question Roman 2. Find the area of shaded region. Ayo, headache again. A lot of students, they cannot see. Area of shaded region. So how class? Anyone can get the answer or not? So you have to know, you have to split into 2 area or 1 area. So you have to know how to minus all. This one also challenging because you all don't know what minus what right? So in this question, who can get the answer here? Yeah, Junior got the answer. Very good, even also. So, this cursor, I want to scold him. Bullshit. Why are today like that one? Very disturbing, very angry. Because I cannot focus today. So, class, we got to see got 3 areas to involve. A1, A2, A3. So I want to solve this area. So you have to find this area, which is pi j squared, our A1. But then I actually need this lah. So how? You have to minus this one. This is the thing, Yeah, so class, how pi j squared minus, actually pi j squared is the whole thing on this one. How to find? I want to find this. So another one is which area? A3, A2, pi j 2 half. Remember formula, half r square theta. Yeah, half r square theta. Which one? This one. Very leceh. Can I paste again? So this one, okay. So this one, yeah, area of sector. You have to check. This one, oh. But then they covered, no, didn't cover here, oh. Half r square theta is 2 pi over 3. Okay, 2 pi over 3. Another area, eh? Which is where? I think this one you all have to continue already. I have another, you also sad today. Have to see how to do this question. A3 is here. How to get rid of this guy inside here? Half r square pi over 3 minus half r square sub 3 over 2. Wow. Pi over 3 minus half r square sub 3 over 2. Okay. So my answer at the end, you have to minus everything. Whereby, to solve the answer, area of shaded region equals to, you take A1, the whole circle area, minus A2, minus 2A3. Okay, to get the answer. So only this one I want you to see carefully how to get this answer. A3 only, half r square pi over 3, right? Because here 60 degree, pi over 3 is 60 ma. So 3 over 2, you have to know also how to get this. Why can't you pi r square or pi r square minus area or sector formula? But your answer, what do you get? My answer, I get after minus everything, right? Pi r square over 3 and then 3 over 2 r. Pi j kuasa 2. My answer at the end of pi j kuasa 2 over 3 plus 3j over 2. Okay. If you minus everything, you check carefully. Pi r square minus half r square, you continue pi 3 and then plus pi 3 over 2 here. Very interesting question. So perhaps all of you already like blur already, very sad. So never mind. What I want you to do is I want you to screenshot the question again. I want you all to what is that called? To jot down and do one more time. Yeah. Okay, you screenshot again, see again whether can get or not. Because the answer is pi r square over 3. I very hate this whiteboard. I want to throw the mouse. Very angry today. So many things happen. Okay, well, class, can you please, what is that called? Look at it again, because I want to continue with your next lesson. Okay, so you do again. If not sure, I discuss again until you understand, right? Today, a bit out the focus. Okay, so you all try to see how I get the answer, you see, but then please make sure that you all can do it. If you can't do it, no worry. I will explain one more time. Okay, so if you all got this ready, think how to get the answer again. If not, then I will guide you one more time next week. Okay, so I will stop here and then I'll continue again next week with more K-bar question. So K-bar question, if you didn't try, you do not know how to solve, then you start very long. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you, class. Welcome. Yeah, to relax and compute. Yeah, understand, man. Okay, bye everyone. Take care. Yes, take care everyone. See you. Bye. Welcome. Cover a lot of questions. Yes, yes, yes. Sure. Of course.